What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, it's Mitchy boy here, and today I'm going to try and put this transfer this Harley Davidson logo onto this piece of wood. Just printed this out with an inkjet printer. I wanted to do like a vintage motorcycle or something, but I don't have coloured ink at the moment, so I just thought I'd do this logo for now. And I got some PVA glue here, pretty cheap. You can get this like $2, so I'll put a bit on there, and should have really had a brush ready to go, shouldn't I? But go try and grab one. Right, so I have got a brush here, and I'm just going to brush this out, spread it out so I can stick my logo on, and we stick this on. So I probably have to invert it. Do it that way. So I think it will have to be inverted, and then it will be at the top of the sign. So put it facing down and stick it down. To the wood. And I'm going to leave that for 24 hours, come back and I'll finish the next step tomorrow. So it's been about 24 hours, and I'm going to just start trying to rub this paper off just with got some water here, and I'm going to just wet my hands and kind of rub it off, see if it rubs off without taking the logo with it. Be interesting to see how it works. Oh, it looks like it might be working. It's working all good. Should have done a bigger logo, eh? Just got to get that paper out from the in between the logo. None of it's really rubbing off. None of the design's rubbing off. That's awesome, man. Pretty much it. It's not perfect, but yeah, looks all good. I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.